today I'm gonna like drive with this bike all around the city and check out how the city will unfold for me, doggy. And yeah, one of the hostel staff was so kind that he said that she said that she didn't need this bike, so he would like lend it to me for a few hours so I can explore this city more easily. And yeah, thank you so much, Carolina. I think her name was Carolina. Yeah, it probably was. So yeah, let's like jump on the bike now and head to drive around the city. Yeah. Cool! I just found this amazing garden here in Tartu, and here's some information about this. This is University of Tartu's Botanical Garden, yeah, and here's some English. Botanical Garden was founded in 1803, and total number of collection of is about 1,000 species and varieties of plants. So yeah, there's a lot of plants here. I really wish that I could be here when it's like summertime. This is like still springtime. I couldn't even imagine how beautiful this place is at summertime when all the flowers are blooming and stuff like that. Man, if you come to Tartu, you should definitely go and check this garden out, especially if you're into plants and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go and check out with what this garden has to offer. So yeah, that was this garden review. Yeah, this garden is super cool. I haven't seen anything like this. And there are so many different species here. This is like very mind-blowing experience to be here. I could imagine like wandering around here for days and like never get up, like bored. This is just something you definitely wanna see by your own eyes, because I don't think that my videos will be like well, they are not the same as you would be here walking by yourself. But I hope that you enjoyed my videos here, and yeah, now I'm gonna head back to my hostel and yeah, eat something and figure out what the heck I'm gonna do like the rest of this day. So I will be coming back at you soon. Yeah, back at the hostel now, and I decided that I'm gonna go and check out what this city is like. Check out some suburban areas and yeah, just mainly wander around the city and see what it's like. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So let's like get outside. So yeah, last impressions of the city of Tartu. Well, this is not as quiet as Pärnu is, but not as busy as Tallinn is. And this city has so lot of parks to explore that it's insane. And yeah, I like this city very much. It's quite quiet, but not really. So it's in like between. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna travel to a new country, and the country's capital which I'm gonna go is starting with a letter R. So you can guess where I'm going. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Yeah, I think that this day will be wrapping up right here. I'm just hanging out with my buddy here. J.B. Johnson. Yeah, and let's ask him some questions. Hey man, what do you think about the Yellow Vest movement? Okay, no comments there. Yeah. So next day, new adventures coming right at you. Yeah. Bye. Bye.